Hello you lovely lot, how are you all? Yes, in case you don't recognise me with my new short hair, it is me, it is Lee. So thanks so much for all your lovely messages about my hair. I love it too, but this video is not about my hair. I will be doing a tutorial on the styling of it soon because I've had so many requests. But this video is all about the big reveal of what benefits today's special value is going to be on QVC on the 1st of October. Now you may be thinking, number one, what is QVC? Now QVC is a shopping channel, so it's on TV. I'll put all the channels below that you can find it on, and it has some incredible beauty brands on it. Benefit, Bobbi Brown, Bare Minerals, Elemis, Liz Earle, just to name a few. And then every single day they have something called a TSV, which is a today's special value, and every day it's a different brand. So it might be a makeup brand one day, a gardening brand the next day, a fashion brand the day after. Honestly, it changes every single day, and it's the most incredible deal, but only for 24 hours. So this one that Benefit are doing on is, I think, our 4th today's special value ever, like ever. And I'm not joking when I say not only is it the best content, in my opinion, it is also absolutely the best savings. You are getting, hold on, let me just tell you the official pricing before I tell you exactly what you're getting. I know, you're getting impatient. But you are getting, if you were to buy direct from Benefit, the products individually that I'm going to show you, you would pay £84.50 for them. But on the 1st of October, starting at midnight, QVC only for 24 hours, you're going to be paying £41.50. And that is a saving of £39.05, people. It's nearly half price, pretty much. And it's on 3 easy pay. Now, an easy pay, if you don't know, is when you break the price into 3 and pay that amount over 3 months. So basically, you'll be paying, hold on, let me get my calculator out, £13.83 to get this today's special value home, and then you'll pay £13.83 the month after, and £13.83 the month after that. I mean, I literally can't think of any Benefit product that is less than 15 quid. So what is it I hear you say? What is it, Lee? Stop teasing us. Okay. Firstly, not what's in it, it's what it comes in. That is very exciting for me. Look at this. This is the most gorgeous rose pink glittery makeup bag of joy. I think I'd use this like on the night out as a clutch bag. So this is basically a beauty bonus. This isn't included in the price. Then, inside, I can open it up, another beauty bonus is a matching heart-shaped Benefit mirror. I mean, come on. Look at this, so cute. So they're the 2 beauty bonuses, and then we get on to the products. 4 full-size products. Number 1, a full-size Gold Rush blusher. Look at the colour of that, it's absolutely stunning. As with all the blushes, it comes with the mirror and it comes with the brush. It all goes inside. That, by the way, by itself, in a Benefit store, is £25.50. Okay, next up is where your colour choice comes in. You guys said, please put this in your TSV. So we have. It is your favourite, everyone's favourite, the #1 best-selling brow product in the UK on the premium market, GimMe Brow Plus. So the 3 shades that you need to choose from are light, medium and deep. You're looking at your eyebrows, not the hair on your head. If you have got white or blonde eyebrows, go for the lights. Red or mostly brown eyebrows, go for the medium. Dark brown or black eyebrows, go for the deep. So obviously I would be the deep. You're going to be able to see loads of demo on the show, where I'm going to be at QVC literally for 24 hours in lots of crazy dresses, fancy dress, all sorts. So if you're unsure what colour to get, then tune in. Alright, next up, one of my absolute favourite lipsticks. This is a full-size They're Real lipstick in the beautiful Juicy Berry colour, which is so amazing for autumn winter. Look at this colour. Let me put a bit on my hand. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the They're Real lipsticks are actually a lipstick and lip liner in one. So that means that you're going to get fuller looking lips instantly without having to faff around with a lip liner as well. And then last but by no means least, another one of your absolute favourites. It's a full-size roller lash mascara in black, guys. Full size. I mean, what? So you are getting inside the glittery bag of joy the mirror, the full-size Gold Rush blusher, the full-size Gimme Brow Plus in your colour choice, the full-size Juicy Berry lipstick, and the full-size Roller Lash mascara. Just to repeat the saving again, if you were to buy direct from Benefit, it would cost you £84.50 for those products, and you would not get the bag and the mirror. But for those 24 hours only, you're going to be paying £41.50. It's on 3 easy pay, plus PMP, which is £3.95, and that is a saving of £39.05. I mean, come on. It's October the 1st. Start thinking about Christmas presents. Obviously think about presents for yourself too, which is what I do anyway. If I ever buy a Christmas present, I always have to buy a present for myself too. I think that is only fair, isn't it? And this is the look that you can create with this. I've got my foundation and my concealer on, so I'm just going to pop on all the other products. And there you have it. I've got the full look on, the blusher, the mascara, great brows, and that beautiful berry lip. If only I could wear the makeup bag too. Oh no, probably should keep it as a bag, eh? Only me, only me. Okay, so tune in 1st of October to get your hands on it. Remember, it's 24 hours only. I really hope you enjoy this Today Special Value as much as I do. I just think it's gorgeous. It's for everyone, and it is the perfect present. Okay, see you then, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.